The built-in music app lets you play the music, podcasts, and audiobooks you have purchased from the iTunes Music Store or directly synced with your desktop computer. If you have purchased the iTunes Music Match service and are connected to the internet, your entire collection of music is always available to you via iCloud. Enable Music Match on your iPad by tapping Settings, Music, then tapping the Music Match button to the On position. Currently, as of iOS 5.0, if you have Music Match enabled, podcasts, audiobooks, and Genius Play are disabled in the Music app. Watch the iTunes Music Store lesson, iTunes Syncing, and Music Match lesson in the Advanced lesson for more on those topics. Let's get started. Tap on the Music app icon. The main interface is divided into 3 sections. The top toolbar has music playback controls for playing, pausing, skipping, scrubbing, shuffling, repeating, and volume. The bottom toolbar allows you to choose how to view your music collection. You can view your playlists, all songs, all artists, or albums. Tapping on any of those buttons loads that view of your content into the middle section of the interface. The bottom toolbar also contains a More button and search box. Tapping on the More button lets you view your podcasts, audiobooks, and your home sharing libraries if you are on your home Wi-Fi network and have home sharing enabled in iTunes. To search your music for a particular song, tap in the search box and start typing a song or artist name. Songs that match your search will be listed in the main content area. You can narrow down what you're searching for by tapping on the Content Type buttons just above the keyboard. If you see the song you're after, just tap on it to start playing. When a song is playing, you can pause it by tapping on the Pause button in the top left. Start playing it again by pressing the Play button. You can skip to the previous or next song listed in the main content area by pressing the buttons to the left and right of the Play-Pause buttons. The center section of the top toolbar shows a bar representing the length of the song with a red playback bar showing the current position. You can tap and drag on the red playback bar to scrub your way through the song to the position you're interested in hearing. On the left of the bar is the Repeat Songs button. Tap it once to repeat all songs in the album or list. Tap it again to repeat the current song only. Tap it one more time to set it back to not repeating anything. On the right of the bar is the Shuffle Songs button. Tap the button once to make your songs in the currently selected list play in a random shuffled order. Tap it again to remove shuffle and play them in the order listed. Next to the Shuffle Songs button is the Genius button. Tapping this will play songs that are similar to the one that is currently playing. If you have Music Match turned on, this is currently disabled. It might be fixed in iOS version 5.1. Keep your fingers crossed. To change the volume of the song currently playing, tap and drag on the volume control slider. Switch to the Songs list view by tapping on Songs in the bottom toolbar. You can scroll the list of songs by tapping and dragging. You can quickly jump to songs starting with a particular letter by tapping on the letter on the right-hand side in the main content area. If you would like to create a playlist of songs, tap on the Playlists button in the bottom toolbar. Any playlists you've already created will be displayed in the main content area. Tap on the New button on the top right, then enter the name of this playlist in the New Playlist title box that appears. Tap on the Save button. You will then see a list of all the songs in your music library. Tap on the plus button on the right-hand side of a song name to add that song to this playlist. You can switch between the different views of your music, songs, artists, etc. by tapping the buttons in the bottom toolbar. For example, you could switch to the album view, tap on an album, then either add songs individually by tapping the plus buttons, or tap on the Add All Songs button to add all the songs from that album to your playlist. When you're happy that the playlist has all the songs you want, tap the grey Done button at the top right. Tap the Done button to finalize your playlist. You can edit your playlist at any time by tapping on the Edit button and either adding more songs or tapping the red minus button to remove that song from this playlist. Don't worry, that doesn't remove the song from your library, just the playlist. Tap on a song to start playing music from this playlist. If you have enabled Music Match, some of your songs will have a cloud icon next to them. This icon indicates that the song is not on your iPad at the moment, but is available for you to download via iCloud at no cost, other than your bandwidth. Tapping on the song will start it downloading. As soon as enough of the song has downloaded, it will start playing and will now be stored in your local music library. The iCloud icon will now disappear for that song. With iCloud, Music Match, and an internet connection, your entire library is available to you at all times.